Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we consider the best Milwaukee Fuel Hammer Drill. The Milwaukee 2912-20 M18 Fuel 18 volts 1 SDS Plus Brushless Rotary Hammer. This isn't just another rotary hammer. It's a serious powerhouse engineered for pros who demand performance, safety, and runtime, all in one tool. From concrete drilling to light chipping, the Milwaukee 2912-20 brings features and specs that make it stand out in the crowded field of cordless rotary hammers. Let's kick things off with what this tool is all about. At its core, the 2912-20 is a cordless rotary hammer that's part of Milwaukee's well-known M18 fuel platform. That means it's compatible with over 200 M18 solutions, a huge plus if you're already invested in Milwaukee tools. It's powered by an 18-volt system and features their signature brushless motor technology. That's not just marketing talk. The brushless motor provides more efficiency, less maintenance, and longer tool life. But what really makes this model shine is its drilling speed. Milwaukee claims this is the fastest drilling rotary hammer in its class, and in use, it does live up to that promise. Whether you're drilling into concrete or masonry, it bites quickly and doesn't bog down. At 1330 RPM, you're getting impressive speed, and the impact mechanism really does a great job at transferring that energy into the bit. One of the standout safety features on the 2912-20 is Milwaukee's auto stop control. Now, this is important. If the drill binds up, say it hits rebar or a hard knot in concrete, the auto stop will immediately cut off power to prevent wrist injuries. It's a feature you don't appreciate until it saves you from a painful situation, and once it does, you won't want to go back to a drill without it. From an ergonomic standpoint, it's a compact and lightweight unit, considering its power. It's designed with user comfort in mind, so whether you're overhead, in tight spaces, or on scaffolding, the tool doesn't wear you out too quickly. Combine that with its balanced feel and rubberized grip, and you've got a hammer that's ready for all-day work. Because it's SDS Plus, you're looking at a quick bit change mechanism that doesn't require tools and gives you that added bit stability. It's ideal for jobs that call for repeated drilling into tough materials. If you're in the trades, whether that's electrical, plumbing, HVAC, or general construction, this hammer fits right into your toolkit. Now, one thing to keep in mind: this is a bare tool. That means no battery or charger in the box. But if you're already on Milwaukee's M18 system, that shouldn't be a problem. If you're not, you'll want to factor in the cost of getting a high-output battery to get the most performance. Let's talk build quality. As you'd expect from Milwaukee, the 2912-20 feels incredibly solid. It's the kind of tool that, even after months of rough use on site, still performs like day one. The materials, the attention to cooling, the vibration dampening, all of it contributes to a professional-grade feel. If you're a contractor, tradesperson, or even a serious DIYer looking for uncompromised performance, then this is your drill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another product breakdown from Product Critique. Drop your questions in the comments. We'd love to help you figure out if this is the right tool for your next job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.